Hi, my name is Juliana. I work as a clerical officer in the Department of Social Protection in the Health and Safety Unit. And my main responsibility is to provide the health and safety trainings across the department. The type of trainings I organize is mainly first aid, fire marshal, manual handling for all the staff across the department. Before I joined the civil service, I only had the Living Cert, equivalent to Living Cert from Brazil. And when I applied for the TCO, was the first position I applied, I felt like I needed some help on my transition from the retail to the new career I was choosing to take. And I took a one-year course of business study, and I think it was great to get me into the level and picture what I was going to work with. Time in life that you have to, make choices and say, okay, that's why I want to be, and I want to be comfortable first. So I know in the civil service, I can manage my growth and I can plan that. So it's much more, a wide option than just a position. When I was 15, that, civil service, it was just for old people. And it's definitely not. And I think I'm happy to see now more young faces join in and, feeling like you can blind yourself. It's not such a, one type of, age of group or anything like that. I had so much fear and thoughts and doubts that I couldn't fit in. The civil service, it was a place for me because first, I'm not Irish, and especially English, English is my second language. So the fear, of getting well with the people and be able to do my work, it was just things that I literally had in my mind. And once I went to the process, the application, the aptitude tests and the interview, it was something much simple than actually get a job in the retail. Before I joined the civil service, every time I had to use the service for whatever reason, I felt there was a lack of representative out there. And I think I started thinking how important it would be for me, especially with the language barrier at the time, to see an immigrant out on the counter. I think the immigrants should consider to apply to the public sector, because the public sector is to help everyone and it should reflect the community. The work-life balance is something that is very important to me. I can plan ahead my week or my year, so I can plan to go to festivals or travel. And even next week, I know exactly my work hours during the week. There's not going to be a surprise, that I have to work in last minute at the weekend. It makes me feel like comfortable that I can enjoy my life social and not being so focused on work when I actually have to relax. It was my first week. I felt so welcomed and so supported, and I felt like, okay, I can relax my shoulders and feel, even if I have any issues, there is a lot of people there that it's just normal people, and I was really well supported, so it was really good. It's a really good start. I can clearly see myself building a career in the public service because there's a clear path for me to keep going, and I know there's a lot of grades to be found, and then I would discover and learning and getting through. And I had the most important, I think, from this path that I can see myself is that I have to support, and that's what it makes me feel proud to work where I am, and I think it gives me the sense of security that I was looking for. I would definitely recommend a student to consider to apply for the civil service, because it doesn't matter what area that you're looking to work, there is plenty of opportunity. You can work in IT, marketing, commercial. You don't need to be actually in that face-to-face environment that I'd say probably people think it's just, work with the public, and there is plenty of options out there.